Happy Valentine's Day!
Mommy! I received my first ever flower.
Oh, this is so pretty. I haven't watched it. Sabi, food is ready!
Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. My friend is coming tomorrow after work, so I'm kind of cleaning the house. I've just tidied my room, put in a new bed sheet, cleaned my mirror, tied it around. I'm gonna vacuum and clean the bathroom. Just like how you would prepare when your man is coming to your house, I think you should also do the same thing for your girls because they are also your guests. I'm working tomorrow and I'm making lunch for work, and I'm making plantain and omelets. It's Valentine's! Happy Valentine's Day, cuties! Yeah, I'm at work. I'm sure everyone is working. What are you doing today? Are you just going to work and going home and watching movies? Are you doing anything special? Let me know what you're gonna do. My friend is coming over and we're going to just chill. I've always celebrated Valentine by myself. Last year I took myself on a date. Here is my vlog, and this year I'm spending it with someone. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to work and I'll catch you later. See that girl over there? That's my girl. Hey!
Happy Valentine's Day!
This is my friend Sabi. I'm sure you've seen her in my previous vlog. Go check it out if you haven't. For the first time I received flowers from a colleague. I was speaking to a patient and she overheard that I've never received flowers before, so she gave me this. And I got this for myself because Deliveroo was doing free roses. Sabi got me this flower. It's so cute. She doesn't know what the name is, but it's fine.
I know, it's in my head.
It's not called tulips.
No.
I always said that I'm not a flower girl. Now I understand the feeling.
I love flowers.
How does it feel like though?
It just makes you feel in like present. Like
really?
Be in the moment. That's what it teaches you.
Really?
You know, like how it dies, and then you have to get more.
Yeah.
Do you got me?
But it's not sad though.
Do you got me?
Couples are saying that Valentine is not that special. It's a capitalist holiday.
I feel like it's depends how you celebrate it. It's a celebration because you don't always celebrate your partners like throughout the years, right?
But people are saying that it should be celebrated every day.
But do they? They don't.
Yeah.
That's the whole point. That's why they have like 14th of February for a couple to celebrate it, right?
Yeah. Do you know Tony?
Yeah.
She has a podcast on YouTube, and I was listening to yesterday, and she asked her fiance, and the podcast people are saying that her boyfriend doesn't want to celebrate Valentine, and he celebrates her every day. The fiance is saying, okay, if he celebrates you every day, what's the difference with the Valentine Day?
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. So why not also celebrate you on Valentine's Day too?
Yeah.
But make it even extra special. And now you're gonna have to buy this. You can literally cook a meal.
Like flowers doesn't cost much. Like,
I'm gonna ask you if you've received flowers, but she always receives flowers.
Yeah.
I actually love flowers.
Like my sister got me flowers yesterday. And she got me Kendrick and Scissor sticker.
It's a standard. We're gonna cook now. I'm gonna cook kimchi and rice.
This is the first time trying.
Really?
Your cook.
Oh yeah, that's true. Say.
I just put in hot water and then just opens the thing so it gets alive.
Oh really? So is it closed now? Is the roast closed now?
Yeah, that's why look, it's dying.
Oh.
And then just put it in lukewarm water. Oh, that's hot.
You can also put some sugar inside the water. This is to preserve it.
Like
so pretty. No matter how many times I cook kimchi jjigae, I never remember the recipe. Honestly, thank God for YouTube and thank God for Aaron and Claire, because I always go back to their video to check the recipes. If you ever want to cook Korean food, check Aaron and Claire YouTube video. They're so easy to follow.
Oh yeah, very cute.
Very cutesy.
Beautiful. Inferno. Oh, it's final episode, isn't it?
Yeah, the final episode, yeah.
Good timing.
I like that part. Did you like this episode?
My sister finds him so attractive.
You need to actually show me which guy is your type.
I said it the other day. He is one of my type.
Well, let's start with this first.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is that because she's something straightforward? I'm so confused.
She spoke to the other guy, yeah, when she found out she was his second choice. She said, no, thank you.
Yeah.
What did she say?
Your stomach had that.
분은 김정수 씨입니다.
She's so pretty as well, you know. I'm not a baker, so I decided to just make a simple cookie dough with ice cream, which is by heating up the cookies and just putting ice cream on top. And oh, your skin is so pretty, you know. Look at her skin. Ipuda. You know what that is, right?
What's that?
Ipuda.
No.
You're pretty in Korean.
Thanks.
Mommy. We were just singing some song now. What's the name of our song? Please.
Damn.
Listen. I'll be happy. Catch you when you hear me. Catch you, hit you, my. Catch your head and done. Get your head to my head, boogie. It's the
What language is that?
I was 2 days over 2 days. My
Yeah, she
requiem of a
butchered that.
dream. My requiem of a dream of a girl. See?
Wow.
My friend is telling me that I'm a psycho for wearing socks. Like, who doesn't wear socks to bed, please?
Nobody.
I'm sorry, but I wear socks to bed. What the hell?
It's a psycho color.
How is that a psycho mode? Like, this is so cozy.
Yeah, but you're under the blanket.
Yeah, but I don't know. I went to the extra cozy. Like, even during winter, you don't wear socks. Like, when it's really, really cold. Ciao. Oh.
Hey.
My friend wants to have a egg for breakfast. I'm going to make her omelette. To make the spinach omelette, I like to heat the pan in a high heat and then reduce the heat and then go in with the spinach first. I like to put the spinach first before the egg because I feel like the egg covers the spinach compared to if you were to put the egg first and then put the spinach. I also added a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I like to poke a hole here, you know, so the heat can get into the omelette. She wants avocado, so let's put some avocado. Sabi, food is ready! Okay, like it though. It's cute. You know what I feel like? It's like I came to my man house. Honestly, feel like girls would actually need to do that for each other. You know?
I'll take you out.
I was so sleepy yesterday.
Yeah, but we were in bed until like 2 o'clock. Yeah.
Sabi have gone home, so I'm going to check out some charity shop to find a flower vase for my orchid. I bought the flower vase. I'm not even sure if it fit, but I did FaceTime Sabi and she said it should fit because I haven't really checked what it's like. So let's see if it fit actually. Okay, it does fit. It does fit.
No.
It actually did fit.
Do I leave it here?
I don't know which is better because it's gonna bloom. I don't want it to be. I don't know. I think I'll just leave it up for now because I don't know where to put this.